Folks, in this and next few sessions, we're going to discuss how to improve your code for Python performance optimization. As financial data grows in size and complexity, we oftentimes have to write Python code to deal with super large dataset and super complicated dataset. So our Python code may run very slow and may even break in between because of the limitation of the resources on your local machine or hosted in the cloud console. So these lessons I planned for you is basically try to let you know a variety of different ways you can improve your code for efficiency. And this is very important. And quite honestly, this is going to be a distinction between good programmers out there versus the bad ones. So make sure you learn a number of ways to improve your code and practice those. One of the good examples I do want to call out is um using vectorized operations. So pandas data frame itself, if you do any calculation within data frame, you're essentially doing a vectorized calculation already. If you don't understand what vectorization means, please Google it and try to understand, what it basically means. I can give you a quick example here. In Excel, if you write a regular formula, that's just a regular computation. If you write an array formula, then array formula is a vectorized operation. So an array formula is able to take multiple values all at the same time in an array versus processing those values in an array individually. So an array formula in Excel is a much faster way compared to a regular formula. So, and of course, if you haven't heard and used array formula before in Excel, I highly recommend you Google how to build an array formula in Excel as well, because it is much faster than a regular formula. Um, and with this, please make sure you practice each of the code examples I gave you in the sessions and make sure you learn those different ways to improve your Python coding. Hope you enjoyed the sessions. Thank you very much.